Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the construction going on by the Maypen bypass. The Maypen roundabout. We're going to give you a drone tour of what's going on. So the new section of Highway 2000 is being joined to the existing section out here by the Maypen roundabout. So the Kingston to Maypen leg ended at the Maypen roundabout, which is what we're looking at now on the left. On the right is the highway. So you would come on the highway and it ended at the roundabout. So you would exit and go on to the Maypen bypass. But they've now built a new section of the road that takes you from the highway from Maypen to Mandeville. So what's going on out here now is that they're removing the roundabout and they are joining both sections of the highway. They've actually joined it. There you can see straight ahead. But the highway is not opened yet. So they are still diverting the traffic onto the Maypen bypass. But in a few days when the highway opens, they will officially remove the roundabout and you'll just continue straight on the highway. You're not even going to know the highway once ended at that spot. Same thing happened by Sandy Bay. They joined it up. You wouldn't even remember that the highway once ended there. Now, those cars that are not using the highway, they'd come on the Maypen bypass, which is on the left, and then they just keep left and continue on the Maypen bypass. So this roundabout is going to be totally removed. Somebody had asked if they are going to keep this entrance to the highway. But I don't think so, because they're building an interchange down like 30 seconds drive from here where you can easily get on the highway and go in any direction. If they were to keep this entrance to the highway, you could only access the highway going towards Kingston. But you would have to build a merging lane. So where you see those light poles on the left, they would have to put in a merging lane, because you remember you have two lanes going straight. So you'd have to have a third lane to the left where you merge and join back these two lanes. And we don't see anything like that happening. So this entrance is going to be closed more than likely. And you then use the interchange down by Maypen. There's also an entrance to the highway by Mineral Heights, but you can only go in one direction towards Kingston. So this is where they have joined both highways, both sections of the highway, I should say. And this is Highway 2000. Very nice road. China Harbour Engineering Company built this road and they did an excellent job. So right here they divert the traffic onto the other side, but once the highway is open, they'll seal that back and you just continue straight on your journey. Now this highway is to open in a few days, in a week. It's supposed to open at the end of August. And they basically have three sections that work has left to be done. Where we were looking at by the roundabout, the interchange needs to be paved, the Maypen interchange. And there are some finishing touches that need to be done on the toll plaza by Tollgate. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we look at the highway. Alright guys, remember to leave your comments in the section below and we'll give you update videos probably every other day or maybe every 3 days until the end of August when they open the highway. And we actually have videos up or driving on the highway so you can check it out. But of course, when the highway is officially opened, we will make more videos. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.